Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much po.
Agad.
Wala kang maganda. Oo nga. Maganda na ito.
And with colors. So we'll just focus with, of course, my flag, my sash, and my crown representing the Philippines. So this is also a bit of my personality. So yeah, so we're just playing with the colors of black and white kasi we were gonna, we are gonna show you a lot more colors in the coming days. So we are just starting with the basic colors for now, but of course we'll be representing the Philippines to the best of our ability.
Wait, CJ, pinag-usapan ko sa'yo na actually rewatch your swimsuit rampa. It was so galing. Paano mo nagawa yun? Gano'ng katagal mo na-use yun?
A day. Oh yes, yes. I am waiting actually. Hindi ko muna pala i-preempt. Pero message to Atisa, I know you will do best. I also heard what happened, yes. But I know she's recovering and I know she will do her very best. And I am a supporting girl. I know you can do this. You got all the way behind your back. So you're supporting your rally. And I hope you will take home the first positive comment. Love you.
So, napatras muna tayo saglit. Nagkuha lang po kami ng
Photo! CJ photo here. Yan. Smile. Ganda.
Atras muna tayo. We're blocking na, the exit. Purong pa po. Balik tayo.
Okay, one. Okay, go take.
Christine Julia de Piazza, Miss Grand.
One, rolling.
Christine Julia de Piazza, Miss Grand.
Yan, 3 days na. Ano na siya si Adam, nakaposisyon ka na sa
Oo, pengen na lang ako ng vlog. May vlog.
Flag na lang yung malaki, Ben.
Okay.
O yung luggage, please, Adam. Yung luggage, Adam, ha?
Oo, sige.
Ayan, passes ulit sa flag na malaki. Philippines!
Team si Asha tayo, sila makatras.
Ay, si Jay, ito na lang, Ben. Tapos na lang. Dito na lang ako. Sorry.
Saan, kung press na konti, okay lang? Okay, 1, 2, 3, here, everyone.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, need just smile. Need just smile.